All right, Nissan Hardbody. It's a 97. Should work on anything really. We're gonna try to check for a vacuum leak. I've actually deleted all the vacuum except for the vacuum that's going to the fuel pressure regulator. Obviously you got to have the one for the brake booster, and I think that's all I got. But still have a few issues, so I want to make sure there's no vacuum leaks anywhere on the intake manifold or anywhere else. So made a homemade contraption where you could smoke test. I made it where I can use different size vacuum lines, have a air pressure regulator, and then I'm gonna use some pellets for a pellet smoker grill, get them going, and we're gonna see if this thing works. You have to cover the intake there. I'm gonna tape it up. I'm sure there's smoke out of that, but I'm looking mainly below everything to see if there's any leaks. All right, stay tuned. Well, no vacuum leaks. We did see smoke coming out from around the tape here. Some from behind the mass airflow sensor. But I was underneath the truck looking at everything from there up under the intake and on top of the intake, and nothing. So good news is no vacuum leaks. Bad news is still got some stuff to figure out. All right, hopefully that helps somebody.